How to change language in AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to change language in AFK Arena. Changing language in AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK Arena, launch the game, start the AFK Arena on your device. Access the setting menu, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the main screen. Go to settings. In the profile menu, tap on the setting button usually represented by a gear icon. Language setting. In the setting menu, look for the language option. It may be labeled as language, language setting, or simply a globe icon. Select a new language, choose language, tap on the current language setting and a list of available language will appear. Scroll through the list and select your desired language. Confirm the changes. After selecting the new language, confirm the changes. The game may restart or reload to apply the new language setting. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.